All right, class. Today we're going to look at some pneumatic equations and work some problems that's going to be similar to the ones that's going to be on our test. So the first one we're going to work is states or reads, what is the PSIG of 20 cubic feet of air at 35.3 PSIG when it's compressed to 10 cubic feet? So the first thing we have to do is we have to look at our equation and find out what is it asking us. Okay, it says what is the PSIG? So that is what we're looking for. Now what is given is 20 cubic feet, the first one, the first volume that is given us. And it's given us a 35.3 PSIG. So that is the first pressure that is given us, and it's saying when it's compressed to 10 cubic feet. So that's the second volume that is given us. So when we look at our ideal gas law and we think about Boyle's law, the form of the equation that we can use to solve this is P2 is equal to P1 times V1 over V2. All right. So when we work these problems, it's asking for the PSIG, but when we work them, we have to work them in absolute pressure. So 35.3 has to be converted to, or 35.3 PSIG has to be converted to absolute. So to convert it to absolute, we have to do what? That's right, we have to add 14.7 psi. So when we add 14.7 to that, is 7 plus 3, that's 10. Carry out 1, that's going to be what, 10? Carry the 1, and then that's going to be 5. So our P1 is going to be equal to 50 psia. So let's fill in our equation. So P2 is going to be equal to, what's P1? We got it over here. P1, 50 times, what's V1? V1 is 20 over V2. What is V2? That's right, it's 10. All right, so P2 is going to be equal to 50 times what? 10 divided into 20 goes 2 times. So our P2 is going to be equal to 100. Well, we converted that to PSIA, so that's going to be PSIA. Well, it's asking for PSIG. So how do we convert this 100 PSIA to PSIG? Well, over here we add it to get it to PSIA. So we're going to have to subtract to get it back to PSIG. So we're going to subtract 14.7 from our 100. So we're going to have to put a 0 there. All right. That's going to be 10. It's going to be 9. Going to be 9. And then that's 0. Okay. Do our subtraction. 7 from 10 is 3. 4 from 9 is 5. 1 from 9 is 8. And so that's going to be our answer. P2 is going to be equal to 85.3 PSIG.